One of the UK's favourite picnic treats is a Cornish pasty. A true Cornish pasty must be made in Cornwall using a traditional recipe.
And I found the lady who officially makes the best Cornish pasties in the world.
In 2018, Jill Francis was crowned the Cornish Pasty Amateur World Champion. So I'm hoping she'll share some of her award-winning tips with me.
So how long have you been making pasties for?
Well, I've made pasties since moving to Cornwall.
Okay, hold on. You're not even
No, I'm a
Cornish born?
Somerset lass. Been in Cornwall roughly 30 years, but it still doesn't make me Cornish.
So how much practice did you have to do before the competition?
It's taken me, personally, quite a few years to sort of get it together and think, well, I can actually do this now.
Right, so how do you want me to chop these?
So I tend to, say, grate them as I go.
Oh.
And that just makes it the right size.
Sorry about that.
No, it's fine.
I'll just put it back together.
It's okay.
I'm learning, it's great. So what are the specifics of making a Cornish pasty? Because I know it's quite exact, a bit precise.
It should be 25% vegetables and 12.5% meat minimum.
The need for it to be very specific didn't put you off?
That was a challenge, really. It's a challenge for me to try and do something specific.
The secret to an award-winning pasty is good quality ingredients, cut small enough and layered so you get a taste of everything in each mouthful. Get this combination right and your pasty is elevated to champion status.
There's a lot more love in this Cornish pasty than I expected.
I do love making them, I have to be honest.
What happens next?
Next stage, folding and crimping, but this is the bit I couldn't really do. I wasn't any good at it, and I wasn't sure if what I was doing was right. So I put my thinking brain on and I thought, I know, I've got a secret weapon.
We brave the British summer to visit Jill's neighbour Edna, a lifelong baker who has made thousands of pasties over her 83 years. It was her tip that helped Jill achieve the perfect pasty crimp.
I've been thinking about you too.
I've been thinking about you too.
So, Edna, I hear that you're the secret weapon. You're the one who taught Jill how to...
Well, I've tried to teach her, and I'm just hoping it's turning out all right.
Can you show me how you did it on your pinny?
Yes. Well, I was sitting here.
Right.
When she come up.
Right.
And I just took it and just went like that.
So if you show me how you do it, so you hold it kind of like that, yeah?
Now, you just squeeze it around, don't you?
Yeah.
And then you just go like that.
So you'd have it, so the straight edge is close to you.
Yeah.
And the curved edge is on the outside.
Yes, right, yes.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
I think I've got it.
Yeah.
I think I've got it.
Inspired by Edna's crimping lesson, I want to have a go at putting my own pasty together.
Right, this is my one go.
Okay. What I tend to do is just keeping it all in. This is the bit I have difficulty with, so I just make sure I then lift it over and lift it up.
I mean, in theory, this should be easy for a girl who's made about 6 million samosas, but this is very different.
So I like to just try and get it nice rounded like that.
Oh, God, I'm too scared to look at what I've done. That is not as easy as it looks. You made that look really easy. Oh, look!
Yay!
Hey, look at that!
That's how you do it.
Just that bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun, that last bit. Forget that bit, don't even look at that bit, but that bit, I'm proud of that. Right, it's going to give it a lovely shine.
Yeah. Here you are, all ready.
Ooh.
Well, there you go. Pasties, Edna.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here's to pasties.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that is so good.
Like it. Yeah.
I admitted to you that I love messing around with pasties and changing the flavour around. And do you know what? Some things do not need messing about with.
Oh.
That is so good.
You can't beat a classic Cornish pasty, but sometimes it's fun to experiment.